Here, in the humid undergrowth, a superorganism is on the march, consuming all in its path. This is the collective might of the Eciton Burchellii, a vast, rhythmic swarm flowing over the ancient roots of the rainforest.
The Eciton Burchellii, or army ant, demonstrates a remarkable feat of engineering.
In this superorganism, every ant has a role. The workers carry the future generation, guarded by the formidable soldiers. The massive swarm moves relentlessly across the forest floor. At the edge of the column, this soldier flares its mandibles.
The massive swarm of Eciton Burchellii clears the forest floor of pests. This is the bivouac, a living fortress constructed entirely of Eciton Burchellii army ants.
Deep in the jungle night, the Eciton Burchellii army ants form a living structure, a bivouac of incredible unity and strength.